All right, guys, let's do the second Sapphire autograph baseball break. Again, from Series 1, this is box number 60 out of 100. And so every box has got 3 autographed baseballs in it. So 24 karat baseballs, black leather baseballs, and some big names in here. So let's see what we can get out of here. So every spot, just like break number 1, every spot gives you 2 random last name letters. So I've got Rick M with 1 spot in this. Tom's got 2. Tori's got 1. Todd M with 2. Scotty K's got 2. Donnie with 1. And then Jason M picked up the last spot. All right, so let's go ahead and randomize the last name letters. Mix this up 5 times. All right, let's go ahead and mix this up 5 times as well, and then we'll match them up. All right, here we go. So Donnie, you've got last name letters C and J. Jason's got E and S. Rick, you've got G and T. Scotty, you've got D, P, V, and Y. Todd M with A, L, M, and N. Tom, you've got B, F, R, and W. And then Tori, you've got H and K. All right, so there is the rundown for break number 2. This is the last box we've got of this. All right, here we go. 60 out of 100. See if we can pull a Mike Trout or an Acuna or somebody nasty. All right, I don't know what that is. Got a random envelope in here. Maybe a C of A out of one of these. All right, here we go. First up, we got a Tyler Chatwood. If you can see that sticker right there. Tyler Chatwood. There is the auto. David Adams certified. That's going to be last name letter C, which will be Donnie. Donnie pulling some nice hits tonight. All right, that's number 1. Man, they got these things wedged in here tight. All right, what do we got here? All right, new Met catcher this year. I'm going to be able to focus in on that. So there you go. You got a Wilson Ramos. Nice little Buffalo inscription. JSA certified. So that'll be last name R, which will be Tom. All right, then I'm curious what this last one is. I can't see it. That envelope must mean something good. Oh, it's a nasty one. Come on. Oh my gosh. All right, Fanatics certified and MLB certified. And there's the auto. That is going to be an Aaron Judge. There you go, right there. Aaron Judge. Must be the... There's the certification for it. So last name J on that one is going to be Donnie. Donnie, you're just pulling all the J's tonight, man. Bo Jackson, Aaron Judge, pulling a Magic Johnson. It is your night, man. That's you. All right, so nice way to end out the Sapphire Series number 1. So we'll grab some more of these in future series and go ahead and get all these baseballs mailed out to you guys tomorrow.